Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial. My student Angel, hi, and I will going to have lesson 16. So what lesson are we going to have for today? Lesson number 16. Okay, but before that, you have to say first the keywords to unlock our new lesson for today. So, did you remember our keywords? Yes. What are rather our keyword? Reading is fun. Okay, reading is fun. Do you agree that reading is fun? Yes. Okay, reading is fun, of course. Now, since reading is fun, let's get started. Let's read. So, task number one, we're going to have task number one for lesson number 16. So, sounds introduction. So, I'm going to introduce to you a new sound. So, here is the new sound. We have E, E. Again, what's the new sound? E, 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 E. Again? E. Yes. E. Again? E. Okay. Now, for task number two, let's move on to task number two. So I have here some sounds that you're going to say slowly. Don't get fooled, okay? Okay. We have here the sound ko. Ko. What's the sound? Ko. Again. Ko. Okay. Now, for the next one, we have E. E. What's the sound? E. Again. E. Okay. The next sound we have ing. Ing. What's the sound? Ing. Again. Ing. Okay. The next sound we have b. B. What's the sound? B. Again. B. Okay. The next sound we have e. E. What's the sound? E. Okay, now for task number three, I have here some words and you're going to say it after me. Okay, we have here walk, walk. So what's the word? Walk. This is how we say the word walk. Again, how do we say the word? Walk. Again, walk. Okay. Now, say the word talk. Talk. What's the word? Talk. Again. Talk. Okay. It's talk, not talk. It's talk. What's the word again? Talk. Okay. Now, let's say this word. We have here I think that's the end of task 3. Now let's move on to task number 4. So task number 4, you have to sound out these words again, okay? So we have here the word stop. Stop. Sound it out. Stop. Again. Stop. Okay. The word is stop. Again, what is the word? Stop. In a fast way, stop. What's the word? Stop. Okay. Next word we have big. Big. So sound it out. Big. Again. Big. The word is big. Big. What's the word? Big. Okay. Now, for the next word, we have sleep. Sleep. What's the word? Sound it out. Sleep. Sleep. The word is sleep. Sleep. What's the word? Sleep. Again? Sleep. Okay. The next word we have bed. Bed. What's the word? Bed. Again? bed. The word is bed. What's the word? Bed. Okay. Next word, we have bite. Bite. What's the word? Sound it out. Bite. Again. Bite. The word is bite. What's the word? Bite. 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 Okay. Next word we have rob. Rob. What's our word? Rob. Rob. The word is rob. What's the word? Rob. Again. Rob. Okay. Now, the next word we have fishing. Fishing. What's the word? Fishing. 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 What's the word? Fishing. Okay. The word is fishing. What's the word? Fishing. 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 Okay. Now, for the next word, we have likes. Likes. What's our word? Like. Again. Like. The word is likes. Again, what's the word? Like. Okay, now for our last word for this task, we have five. Five. What's the word? Five. Again, the word is five. The word is five. What's the word? Five. Okay, now let's move on to task number 5. So we have to say these words fast, okay? So we have his. Again, what's the word? It's his. His. Again, in a fast way. His. Okay. The next word we have but. 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 Okay, next word we have sitting. Sitting. What's the word? Sitting. Again. Sitting. Okay, now let's proceed to task number 6. What task are we now? Number 6. Okay. Now, for task number 6, I have here some sounds. Then you're going to say the sounds slowly if you can. Don't get fooled, okay? Okay, get ready. Now, we have here the sound. Eh, eh. What's the sound? Eh, eh. Okay. Next sound, we have O, O. What's the sound? O, O. Okay. Next word, next sound rather, we have E, E. What's the sound? E, E. Okay. What the sound is E. Now, for another sound, we have here E, E. What's the sound? E. Again, E. Okay. For the next sound, we have A, A. What's the sound? A. Again, A. Okay. Now, for the next sound, we have E, E. What's the sound? E, E. Okay. Now, let's move on to task number 7. So, I have here some word, I have here a story rather. Its title is The Man and His Bed. So the title of the story is The Man and His Bed. Okay, so I'm going to read the sentences first, then you'll say it after me, okay? A man had a dog. A man had a tub. He said, I like to sit in this tub and rub, rub, rub. He said, I like to sit in this tub and rub, rub, rub. Then the man said, now I will sleep in this bed. Then the man said, now I will sleep in this bed. But a dog was in his bed.
But a dog was in his bed.
The dog said, "Can I sleep in this bed?"
The dog said, "Can I sleep in this bed?"
The man said, "No, go sleep in the tub."
The man said, "No, go sleep in the tub."
The dog said, "I like to sleep in beds."
The dog said, "I like to sleep in beds."
The man said, "This dog likes to sleep in beds, so he can sleep with me. But I do not like dogs that bite."
The man said, "This dog likes to sleep in beds, so he can sleep with me. But I do not like dogs that bite."
The dog said, "I do not like to bite."
The dog said, "I do not like to bite."
So the man and the dog went to sleep.
So the man and the dog went to sleep.
And the dog did not bite the man.
And the dog did not bite the man.
Okay. Now for task number 7, we have here some questions with a picture comprehension. Now, I have here a picture. Okay, I have here a picture. Now, can you see the picture? Here. So what can you say about the picture? So, there's a
Man,
there's a girl,
girl,
a fish, and a dog, right? Now, how many fish does the girl have? The girl have how many fish? The girl have 1, 2, 3, 4, and
five.
5. The girl have 5 fishes. Now, what do you think she's saying to the dog? The girl is saying to the dog that the dog will not have a fish. The girl didn't like the dog to eat the fish. Okay? Now, I wonder what's in that can near the girl. So, what's this? Do you see this? So, I wonder what's in that can near the girl. What's that? Can you see it?
Worm.
Yes, it's a worm. Now, did you ever go fishing and catch 5 fish? No, not yet. Me too. I didn't go fishing and catch any fish, even one fish. So now let's move on to task, the last task, which is the sounds writing. So you have to write the sound p, p. What's the sound? P. Again, p. Okay, you have to write it here and sound it out after. Okay, what's the sound again? P. Okay, the next sound rather, we have b. What's the sound? B. Okay, b. Now you have to write it here and say the sound after. Again, what's the sound of this? B. B. So, I think that's the end of our lesson for today. Did you learn something for today?
Yes.
Okay, what are rather our keywords again? Our keyword is, are,
Mean
is, Fun. Okay, reading is fun. See you on another lesson. Bye-bye.
Okay.